Hi, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office using just a single PowerShell command. This method is completely legit and does not involve any cracks. First, on your PC, search for PowerShell. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, type this command: iexirmsetup.installoffice.org. Then press Enter. This will open the Office installation interface. Before installing, go to the Remove All Apps section. Click I agree, then select Remove All to uninstall any existing Microsoft Office applications. This helps prevent conflicts during installation and activation. Wait for the process to complete. Next, it's time to install Microsoft Office. Choose your system architecture, your license type, your preferred mode, either download or install, your language, and your Office version. Once you're done, click Submit to begin the installation. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, open Microsoft Word. Then sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't have it yet. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Office. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.